From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group.
Viewers, when a battle of justice takes a pause, the people who are very passionately involved, including those who are reporting it, sometimes think, foolishly, that the pause means that there will be a stop to the activism. But that is not the case. It has been my experience in over 20 years as a journalist that sometimes a pause is necessary. A pause is necessary both to strengthen and to reflect and to resolve. And that is why I believe that the battles for justice are unending. In this context today, viewers, I'd like to pick up once again the justice for PMC victims. And this is something that the Republic Network is resolved to fight for till the logical conclusion. Today, the Delhi High Court put the onus on the Reserve Bank of India, who've been quiet on this matter, have not intervened as effectively as they should have. Even as for over 438 days, the depositors who put in their money in the PMC Bank are yet to get sight of their own cash, their own wealth, their own resources. This is injustice in the cruelest form. We are fighting for it. Here is what happened today, and then we shall debate.
Depositors forced to hit the streets for their hard-earned savings. At least 60 deaths connected to the scam. The apathy shown by government and authorities to the PMC victims has shocked the entire nation. The Delhi High Court has now stepped in and pulled up the Reserve Bank of India for inaction.
The Delhi High Court today pulled up the RBI on the way the PMC withdrawal limit case has been going on. They said, why has it been left to the PMC Bank to be looking into this issue and deciding on the withdrawal limit? Why is the RBI acting as a post office? They also said a grievance redressal mechanism needs to be set up. The RBI needs to be sure the administrator should not act in a high-handed manner. And they've also gone on to say that the PMC should not be deciding on the emergency fund.
And this scathing observation is a ray of hope for the depositors.
Today, RBI is resolving every other bank. They resolved Yes Bank immediately. They resolved Lakshmi Vilas Bank immediately. We urge RBI, Prime Minister Modi ji, state government to please intervene and resolve.
While the RBI moved in on Lakshmi Vilas Bank and approved merger with DBS Bank to help the depositors, PMC victims have been left in the lurch.
एक लक्ष्मी विलास बैंक है जो कि खुद कोऑपरेटिव बैंक है, उसके अंदर भी इन्होंने 35A लगाई है। आरबीआई ने सामने आकर के ये बोला है कि किसी को डरने की जरूरत नहीं है। तो वही हम ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि हमारा भी पीएमसी बैंक कोऑपरेटिव बैंक है, तो हमारे साथ ऐसा सौतेला व्यवहार क्यों किया जा रहा है?
Many depositors of the PMC Bank are retired citizens whose life savings have been stuck due to bureaucracy.
It is high time RBI must treat all the depositors irrespective of their owning. If this kind of activity are continued, all the cooperative bank depositors will lose the faith.
They have waited for 438 days for justice. Their wait continues, but their patience is wearing thin. Let's debate.
Viewers, today 14 months and 8 days since the PMC depositors were left in the lurch. 14 months and 8 days, which means for 438 days, almost 1 million depositors of the PMC Bank have been told you cannot access your own money. Sanju Verma, please welcome also Ajay Kumar Dua viewers, Abhishek Mishra, Uttam Agarwal, Bejonda, who's the petitioner in the case, Vivek Dixit, Shehbaz Khan and Jitsu are depositors. My simple question is, and Shehbaz can start the debate with Sanju, that how does anyone, including the government or the ruling party or the RBI, expect the middle class depositors in PMC Bank to survive anymore? More than 60 have died, but do you not care, Sanju? It's a straight question the Delhi High Court has also asked. Maybe Shehbaz wants to start. Shehbaz, yes, over to you.
Absolutely. I mean, I ask, isn't RBI responsible, answerable for this debacle? Shouldn't they come forward with a solution till now? I mean, they have done it with Yes Bank, they have done it with Lakshmi Vilas. Why this bias against the PMC Bank? We are also law-abiding citizens of the country. We have our hard-earned money, our savings and everything in that bank. And, we are all public figures. We are actors here. There are so many of my actor friends who have deposited their hard-earned money in the bank, and they couldn't utilize it. The entire pandemic went. We were not shooting. But till now, there's no solution. I mean, I want to ask the RBI, what's your problem? I mean, why do you such stepmotherly treatment with PMC Bank? Why is it so? Why can't there be an immediate solution for us?
Okay.
Earlier, they wasted time with an administrator who wasted 12 months straight doing nothing at all. Now they change the administrator. Don't tell me.
I heard
One second.
Let me complete.
Let me complete. Right now, even now they're saying that they don't have a plan. They haven't come up with a plan to finish this. We want a solution. We want our money back. Please, ma'am. Please go on.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Khan. Now, I heard you out very patiently, and your concerns completely resonate with, I'm sure, the people who are at the helm of affairs. Let me first tell you one thing. I also heard this in the video clip in the introduction. Lakshmi Vilas Bank and Yes Bank are scheduled commercial banks. PMC Bank is an urban cooperative bank. Now, when you are a scheduled commercial bank, you come directly under the supervision of RBI, right from grant of license to audit to compliance to management. But when you are an urban cooperative bank like PMC, please understand that it is not just the RBI that you are accountable to. You are also being managed by the Registrar of Cooperative Societies, the RCS. So in the case of a cooperative bank, which is what PMC Bank is, there is multi-tier regulation. There is the RBI and there is the State Cooperatives Act of 1955, which also comes into the equation. So these two things are not similar. Don't compare Lakshmi and Yes Bank with PMC
Sorry. Can I come in?
Vivek is countering you.
Can I please
My point is, Sanju, that the depositors in the PMC Bank have heard this point for too long, and I believe in the old
there is no longer dual control.
There is a way. Well, Sanju, you have to hear the PMC depositors also. Please, Sanju, you have to stop and allow the others to come in. It is their time to be heard. Yes, please. Vivek wants to come in. Hear the counters, Sanju. You have to hear. You have to hear.
That dual control has gone away. For your information.
I'm giving the solution. Do not try and
Sanju, the dual control has long gone away with the passing of the Banking Regulation Act. No. We are not scuttling your voice. We are only telling you the fact. We are only telling you the fact. With the passing of the Banking Regulation Amendment Act, the dual control has long gone away.
Facts too. Can I just?
So you have to. You don't have to misguide. You have to tell the real facts.
July 2020.
As of now, the cooperative banks are under the total control of RBI.
It was amended in July 2020. And why it is taking time is simply because
why don't you
So now
dispose the
it's
assets?
December
One second.
now.
Jitsu also wants to come in. Sanju, these are very informed depositors. Please stop. Sanju, I am requesting you, Sanju. You need to hear. You need to hear. These are very informed depositors, and I think they are completely correct. In fact, I have been personally saying you have 3,830 crore of assets. Please seize them. You have seized them. Please dispose them. Please auction them.
Yes.
That is more than enough to give the collateral so Jitsu can get her money back. I want Jitsu to access her own money. She wants to show something tonight. Please, yes. Please.
Yes, I want to tell you this, that this, the culprits, Wadhwans, they have pledged their properties worth 11,000 crores in the Bombay High Court. Yeah? Till date, there is no action on this. Ma'am, you are telling us that why Lakshmi Vilas is resolved, why Yes Bank is resolved. I'll tell you, ma'am, the tough protests put up by PMC depositors has led to lot of reforms, like the insurance was increased from 1 lakh to 5 lakhs. BR Amendment Act was passed, which one of the depositors said right now, and the dual this has gone away. And this also led to timely resolution of Yes Bank and Lakshmi Vilas Bank. But what about the torch bearers? RBI, government has nicely forgotten PMC. Everything has been passed in the name of PMC. Nirmala Sitharaman, madam, said in the parliament that had this law been in place, PMC could have been resolved just like Yes Bank in 14 days. These are her own words. Now where are we? You have left us. Hamara number kab aayega? Are we not citizens of India? No, ma'am, let me. I am completely broken.
Madam,
my entire money is in PMC. For last 14 months, I have no money. My work is closed. Everything is gone. How do I survive? You tell me that. You are telling me PMC is not a commercial bank. It's a scheduled bank. It's a A-rated bank by RBI.
Can I please respond,
Did
madam?
you tell us
an
not to put
answer?
any money in the
Do
cooperative
you want
bank?
an answer? Then let me have my say.
I want,
you
ma'am,
will have
but
to
please
listen
answer.
to me if you want
All I
an
want
answer
is
to
my
your
money
questions,
back.
madam.
These are.
Yes, sir, please let
Yes,
me
ma'am.
speak. Let me speak. You know, let me speak. I want to just tell you one thing.
I would
You
only
have
place
raised
things
very
in a
valid
larger
concerns,
context.
madam.
There's a
You have raised
Sanju,
very valid concerns.
Sanju, may I also
The
get Ajay
PMC
Dua
Bank
into the debate?
is inviting
Sanju, I'll get you, but the Ajay Dua, Abhishek, Bejon Mishra, Uttam Agarwal have not spoken. I would like, with your permission, to give them a chance, Sanju, please. Ajay Dua, please. Is it so difficult? I don't understand if it's so difficult.
Upper limit was
Yes,
raised from
Arnab,
10,000.
It's just become excruciating now. Ajay Dua, former Commerce Secretary.
Yes. What is being stated that PMC was a pure cooperative bank and not a scheduled cooperative bank is an incorrect statement which is being made. PMC has, to its credit, that it was the youngest bank to have been granted a status change of a scheduled commercial bank before the scam or the fraud was detected. This happened, madam, you are saying it was only a cooperative bank, urban or otherwise. That's not
Sanju is
correct.
responding to the specific point
One
raised here.
second.
Thank you.
It
She
is,
can be on the other side.
it is an urban cooperative bank, no doubt. But within 35 years, no other bank has changed its status to a scheduled commercial bank, as was granted to this bank before the scam was discovered. So to that extent, citing that only
Are you saying, Ajay Dua, that Sanju is using technicalities to avoid responsibility in the debate towards the depositors? If you're saying so, say so clearly.
I am saying a little different.
Say so clearly.
Arnab,
Uttam
I am
Agarwal
saying
seems to concur.
that what is being stated is not correct. in this bank was made a scheduled cooperative
No, sir,
bank,
it is correct.
scheduled commercial
I said
bank,
scheduled commercial bank.
with scheduled
I said
commercial bank.
PMC is
Within
a
35
urban
years,
cooperative
it was
bank.
incorporated
Lakshmi
in
Vilas Bank is a
1984
scheduled commercial bank.
early
It is you
early
who's
2019. No,
Yes,
sir,
sir, I'm not
I have
playing with
dealt
words.
with this
I'm
bank.
saying that the
I
money
come
will
from
be given,
Maharashtra.
but you do not wish
I
to listen.
come from Maharashtra.
I
I
said
have
that
dealt
wait
with
till
this bank.
15th December. The bidders are giving their bids to
earlier
PMC
than
Bank,
the scam
after which a
discovery,
decision
it
will
was
be
a scheduled
taken
commercial
on
bank.
converting PMC Bank into either a small finance bank or amalgamating it with a larger bank which can take in PMC
my worry.
and
That's a different
protect
issue.
Here's
money
my
and
worry.
deposits of
One minute.
depositors like you.
Sanju.
Take refuge
Sanju.
under calling it a
Sanju.
only
Your
urban
deposits are
cooperative
safe.
bank and not a scheduled
Sanju,
commercial
one minute. What is the point of deposits being safe if you can't access them?
Not allowing you to
When
withdraw
they
your
went
money.
for their credit team.
So if I have, no, 1 minute. At a time of COVID, I request you to have a heart. Ajay, 1 minute. Ajay, 1 minute, please, Sanju. Sanju, may I request you? I need to get the other panelists into the debate. I know you're very sure of your points. I know that you feel your points should be heard above all. But I need you to understand and have the empathy out here. It's a time of COVID. People have lost employment. People have lost jobs. All their money is in the bank. And the irony is that today, India is sitting at a lifetime high of forex reserves. We are a country with almost $600 billion of forex reserves. If any country has liquidity, it is us. We could merge Lakshmi Vilas Bank with DBS with hurried alacrity.
Yes.
And one point I want to make, whether people like it or not. Bejonda, we need to find out how many politicians have their fingers in cooperative banks. Is it that you're not getting a solution to the PMC bank because there are other politicians, even in Maharashtra, who have their fingers in cooperative banks, who are worried that they may have given many NPAs to many other unworthy individuals? And they are scared today that if there is justice for the PMC bank depositors, how will they carry out the loot that they may have planned out or already done in their specific cooperative banks? We need to look at those factors as well. Because I can't understand why there can't be justice otherwise. Bejonda is the petitioner, please. And Uttam Agarwal wanted to come in here. Yeah.
Arnab,
yes. You can debate.
Arnab, can I come in? Arnab, can I come in now?
Please. Please do. Please do,
So
Bejonda. Please do.
Nice to be with you. Nice to see you. And thank you very much for inviting me. You see, my simple point is,
and people,
no banks
people who are dealing
can
with the
conduct
bank.
business
Let me
in the country.
tell you that the way we are discussing about the scheduled bank and cooperative bank and all, a common layman do not understand, right? What is the difference between all three banks? People assume that the RBI has given the license and they are supervising all the funds of the depositors. Today, why RBI issued a letter for moratorium if they do not have a right on this? Why the Honorable High Court has told only the Reserve Bank of India?
Why the technicality people we are talking? People are suffering for last 14 months. And all people, whether it's a registrar or RBI people, they have to be.
Yeah.
Then what is the purpose
So,
of
Arnab, can I come in?
Regulatory authority. What is the purpose of having some regulatory authority spending so much money on the employment in that particular bank? People are having the faith because the RBI has issued the license.
Okay,
so we can't say that this is a scheduled bank, cooperative bank and all these things. All
That's the
people
point. The RBI gives the license.
Accountability.
People,
In
so
this
simple
country,
point.
there
Okay.
is no accountability.
Yeah, Bejonda.
Therefore, people are
Bejonda
suffering.
wanted to also make his point there. 1 minute, Uttam. I love your point where you're basically saying that, look here, don't complicate things. No, 1 second. Just 1 point. Bejonda, 1 minute. Sanju Verma comes and she says, listen, I empathize with what your problem is, Jitsu and Shabazz, but I can't help you. RBI can't help you because this is a certain kind of bank. There are other kinds of banks. This is cooperative. Then Yes Bank is another bank. But I know one thing for sure, Bejonda. that without the government support, Yes Bank would have collapsed. Without the government intervention, Rana Kapoor would not be in jail. The scam would never have been sorted. So I'm simply, again Sanju is speaking so she can be on, please. So my question here is, I'm debating here. My point I'm making is simple and I have a complete right to disagree with you. My point is, Sanju, and please hear me. Sanju, hear the point. Sanju, hear the point. Sanju, hear the point. Hear the point. You need to understand, Sanju, you cannot go to a citizen and say, your fault you put your money in a cooperative bank.
With the depositors.
Your point. No, Sanju, see, I don't want to be. Sanju, you need to hear someone else complete their point. Sanju, I understand, but you can't keep repeating without hearing.
December, and then the bank is likely to be converted into a small finance bank. The money of depositors is safe.
Sanju, you need
the
to
withdrawal
hear.
limit has been raised
Sanju,
to 1
you
lakh
need to
rupees,
hear.
and in some cases 5 lakh
Sanju,
rupees. Arnab, please do not.
Sanju, you need to hear. 1 lakh, 13 depositors got more than 1 lakh rupees. What are you saying? You know the observations of the High Court today.
How
13 depositors got more than 1 lakh.
You are only reading part of the High Court judgment. I have read the full High Court judgment. Why aren't you reading the full High Court judgment, Arnab? Do not read half-truths. The High Court also said...
I have read more than you probably ever have, and I've understood more of the PMC case than you have, Sanju. Now let me tell you. Now let me tell you, Sanju. Sanju, please. Sanju, please calm down and please listen to me. 1 minute, please, Sanju. Sanju, please listen to me. Sanju, listen to me. Sanju, I have read the judgment as well, but you don't take a pause. You know, the problem is, I am politely requesting you to take a pause and listen. Everyone calm down. Vivek, give me a minute, please. It's a multi-window. I cannot anchor this if you are not quiet for a while.
No, I want to come now. Arnab, I want to come.
If you look at the moot point, the moot point is put very beautifully by Bejonda. Bejonda, please, Bejonda, just let me complete a point. The point is this, that we cannot blame the depositor. The depositor puts money in the bank thinking somebody is taking care, there is some regulator. Now whether that is government, RBI, XYZ, collateral, industrial house, nobody knows the details. You know, they go by trust. And the question we need to debate on today is a simple question of trust. Right? Now when the trust is broken, we need to restore the trust. The only way to restore the trust is to solve the issue. Abhishek, make your point, then we are back on the debate because you've not spoken. Abhishek.
See, Arnab, I think with complete empathy and support to the depositors, one thing must be clearly understood, that there are some people who are trying to make it an issue with regards to the present government. But you must understand that the main person who was the owner and the starter of this bank was Vadhavan. Vadhavan is a friend of Sharad Pawar, is known to all. Even this Mahavikas Aghadi government had given during the lockdown the license to Vadhavan to roam around Maharashtra. So you can understand, 15 years the NCP Congress was in power in Maharashtra and at the center at that time. During that time that Vadhavan had got the loans, it is during that time that Vadhavan forced the banking people through the institution at that time to give him loans without any security, without any guarantee. The fraud has been committed by Vadhavan in collusion with the bankers and the CAs. You have to understand, it's basically a Congress NCP scam where I think the money of Pawar and Gandhi.
You want to do a political bogey game out here? I'm not interested, Abhishek. Abhishek, I know about the Vadhavans, we've spoken about that, but this matter has gone beyond that because we now need a solution. I am personally beginning to get extremely worried. I am extremely worried for the families of PMC Bank depositors. The families of PMC Bank depositors are fed up.
Sir, please,
they don't want technicalities. They want intervention. That's all. Jitsu.
Yes. Arnab, can I come in?
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Vadhavans are the culprits.
Arnab, I want to come
they
in
have
now.
pledged their properties. Government should intervene. State government, center, RBI must jointly come up and resolve PMC. Why should I even wait for 1 day for my own money? It's been 14 months And we are still discussing. Let's wait till 15th December. Then we'll do this. Then we'll convert into bank, this, that. Why aren't you assuring PMC depositors that yes, you will be saved? The bank will be saved. You all will get your own money.
I'm only on the point of
That's it.
suffering,
Are
and
we lacking the intent?
Jitsu,
What is it?
Jitsu, point is of suffering, you know, and I'll tell you one thing. After 14 months,
Why PMC cannot be resolved?
Jitsu, I'll tell you one thing.
Arnab,
I have been reporting this since the 23rd of September 2019. And Bejonda, it pains me, Abhishek, don't make it political. It pains me to say today, viewers, 40% plus of PMC depositors are senior citizens. And they are forced to take money today from private lenders for their COVID treatment. When somebody gets COVID in their families, they go to private lenders, and God knows what they have to face to get treatment for COVID. The elderly people are holding hunger strikes. And I'm sorry, depositors have committed suicide. 60 plus depositors have died in 16 months. People who have kidney ailments cannot do dialysis. You know, I don't want this to be a case study of how cooperative versus non-cooperative banks are to be dealt with. For me, this is a case study of justice. And I know that if you make up your mind, you can give them justice. Please, they are not asking for too much. It is about human beings, human lives. It is not just about saying, I understand, but my hands are tied. Our hands are not tied. Our hands are not tied. Politicians' hands are not tied. RBI hands are not tied. We all know that. Let's not throw the law book at people who are quite aware. Bejonda.
Every penny of the depositors is safe.
Safe but not accessible.
You see, that is what prompted me to go before the judiciary.
But unusable.
That is what exactly happened. We don't want crocodile tears here. We don't want crocodile tears here. We want to make sure that the people who need the food, they get food. We need people who need the health care. They get health care. We don't want crocodile tears from politicians. We want concrete action. So please, for heaven's sake, don't tell us what we are supposed to be doing. We exactly know what is to be done. And that is why we went. That is why we have gone before the judiciary. We went before the judiciary only because people like you try to mislead the citizens. You people mislead the citizens. You people mislead the citizens. You see, that is why we had to go to the judiciary. You people always mislead.
One minute.
Mislead the citizens.
Sanju and Ajay Dua on the side. Bejonda, 1 minute, please. Bejonda, listen. We are not here to quarrel. We are here to find a solution, right? I have Bejonda and Sanju. Sanju, listen. I'll just want to tell you one thing. You are very aware. You know how the corporate world functions. I know that you have not just empathy but reason and understanding. So listen to me on this. See, I want to tell you about why I feel very strongly about this case, and if I may have Uttam Agarwal and Ajay Dua also in this case. You know, these people are suffering, and you are using PMC, you as in like all the government, RBI, everyone, is using PMC depositors' plight as a case study to draft the amalgamation plan for Lakshmi Vilas with DBS. These poor people are seeing and saying, oh, because of our plight, because our people died, because we are running from helter-skelter, you have done an amalgamation of a bank. Good you have done, but what about us? Secondly, they are then saying, oh, you are using our plight to promulgate an ordinance to bring cooperative banks under RBI supervision. Fantastic, well done, but what about us? Are we only a case study? You are giving a vision document under the urban cooperative banks till 2023 based on parameters like governance, oversight, your technology, investment, regulation, etc. Very good. I support it, Sanju. But what about us? You cannot reduce PMC to a case study. It's very good to do it as a case study. But what about us? They will still ask you, Sanju, very good, we support everything you are doing. We are very happy for what you are doing to avert a crisis in the future. But what about us?
We want justice.
That is all.
We want prompt justice.
Ajay Dua, maybe you want to make your point to Sanju. Let's find a solution now, please.
Yes.
Let's find a solution. Let's not fight. Let's find a solution.
That we get our money. We are
Let's
not
find
asking
a solution.
for doles. We are
Please,
not asking
please,
for doles.
please.
We are not asking for people to give us charity.
I know,
we want our money back.
Ajay Dua and
That's all.
Sanju.
That is the simple
may I
thing.
just
That
clarify?
we need our
I
money.
hear you, I hear you, I hear you.
And why are we not getting it?
I hear you, loud and clear. 2 minutes
Mr.
on the
Mishra,
debate. Ajay Dua. 10:30,
Mr.
please.
Mishra, all that I want to say is that there is a great amount of reasonableness in the application and your petition to the High Court. I think with the certain amount of assets of HDIL owned by Mr. Vadhavan and his son Sarang, there is liquidity now available for the with the RBI that the bank will not go
why
under.
can't the bank be merged, sir? Dua sir, why can't the merge?
Let's not.
Why
Let's
can't the
look at
bank
the
be merged
depositors.
immediately?
Can I please come
Please.
in?
What we are
That's
Why
a
can't the
later
bank be
issue,
merged immediately?
but
Where is the
please,
roadblock,
no,
sir?
later.
With your
Somebody has to be
experience,
there to buy
with
it.
your experience, I want to know.
Yes, I'm clarifying.
Why can't the bank be merged?
Madam.
All the bottlenecks
Yes,
are
I'll
removed.
clarify, please.
Now,
Just give me a. Just
I
give me
want
a
to
few
answer
seconds.
why can't the bank be
bigger bank
merged?
which will take this bank will get a 2,000 crore rupees net
There
tax
has to
refund.
be somebody willing to take
Why can't the bank be merged?
In the case
Since
of
you are a
There is a
DBS,
reason why this
DBS
bank
was
is
willing
taking
to-
time.
DBS was
Because in the
willing to
case
merge.
of Lakshmi Vilas Bank,
no,
the
why?
network
There is
was
no
not
reason. There is
eroded.
no reason.
In the case of Yes Bank,
No,
the
no, no,
network
there is no
was not
reason.
eroded.
I
In the
have
case of
spoken with
PMC
the
Bank,
administrator
the
of the
entire
PMC Bank
network
and the
of
concerned
12,000
officials.
crores was
This
eroded.
decision has to be taken at
That
the
is
highest
why
level.
PMC Bank is
Merger
finding
is
it
a
difficult to get
one
buyers.
minute
But the
decision.
RBI, the
There is no
government are on the
bottleneck.
job.
There is no bottleneck. There is no
entire
bottleneck.
network
Close this
I'm an
debate. 1 minute.
advocate, I know
1
there
minute.
is no legal
A
bottleneck
minute,
in merging the
please.
bank.
A minute, please.
There is
At
no
the end, I
bottleneck.
will say, listen, okay. Okay, so we'll do a PMC roundtable. We will pick up the issue. See Sanju and Jitsu and Shahbaz and Vivek. You know one thing. You know we are committed to the issue. Sanju, in a way, we are all on the same side.
Bank can be merged tomorrow.
I'm telling we are actually between us in this conversation. We may be seen to be quarreling, but we are all trying to find a solution.
Most small
No, nobody's.
depositors
1
of
second,
PNC
please.
Bank have already
Sanju, listen.
withdrawn their
We are all
money.
working for a
the
solution.
Delhi High Court has categorically said
I
that the
just
RBI
need
has
to-
done the
we just
commendable
need to
job
find a
for
way.
now. Will you read out the full
This is
judgment
the bank.
by Justice
Doesn't matter
G.N.
whether it's a
Patel
public-
and
No, we are nobody's
Justice Jalan?
demonizing.
They have said
But there is a, if you may be so kind to allow me, all I will say is, including to you, Vivek, listen. We have a choice now. I am a great believer in debates, but I believe that at some point of time, I believe that at some point of time, we need to set a target and say, okay, 1 month, okay, 2 months, let's give the depositors a promise that we will try and find a time-bound solution to your problem. Let's say the most intractable of disputes and disagreements. Today the farmers are discussing with the government. I'm sure we can find a solution. Let's work towards one. Okay, I will close at this point with a promise to come back and